ahead. Anybody?
Hello?
Yeah, go ahead, please.
So let's say for the purpose, or for the sake of practicing, is a person allowed to, I don't know, any given random day throughout the week to pretend it's like Shabbos? Let's say it's like, I don't know, it's Wednesday. And then I would say like, okay, for the next 4 hours, I'm going to pretend it's Shabbos so that I can practice the Melachah, like not engaging into the Melachah and so on and so forth. Is that permitted?
Absolutely. So people. So if you want anything to be prepared, like to do it the right way, so you have to prepare. You have to prepare. Just 1 second. Let me switch the glasses. So believe it or not, b'siyata d'shmaya. So we learned with Rabbi Reuven this story that he said it's actually a story that happened. So I hope I remember this correctly. I heard it only today. I mean, I heard it before, but today I heard it one more time from Rabbi Reuven. So he said it's in a pre-war Europe, right? It was very, very famous, don't remember, I think it's Warsaw, right, in Poland, very famous jeweler. And once a lady came to his office and she said, I want to buy jewelry. He said, okay, nice to meet you. And she said, my name is this and this, and I'm wife of this famous psychiatrist or psychologist, this professor that has a clinic in Warsaw, like famous, like very rich person. And this jeweler said, okay, what is the budget? He said, hey, I'm his only wife. What do you mean, what's the budget? Open budget, whatever we like, he's going to buy. She said. The guy got excited and he opened the safe inside of the safe. He got the best of the best, whatever he had, for millions and millions of dollars, I suppose. And she said, okay, you know what, you have a beautiful stuff. I like everything, but let me think about it. I can come back tomorrow. So she comes back tomorrow. Same time, they go, oh, miss this and that. She said, yes, look, I thought the whole night, but I cannot choose. So let me look at them one more time. He showed one more time. She said, you know what, I cannot choose. Let my husband choose. Look, he's paying money. Look, it's only fair if you show him. He said, the jeweler said, absolutely, let's do that. But she said, look, let's go to his clinic, right? He's now working. Let's go to his clinic and let him choose. They come to the clinic. She said, he's very busy. You see all of these people going back and forth. Let me quickly go to his office, show him. Whatever he chooses, he is going to write you a check. Whatever you tell us the price, he just signed the check, and we're going to put in the price. So no problem. Just give me 10 minute stops. And she goes with all of these sets because she cannot choose. Right, and 10 minutes pass, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour, 3 hours, whatever hours pass, and the guy noticed. He goes back, he goes in, and he said, look, I'm so and so. They say, oh, we heard about you. Yes. I'm the jeweler. Yeah, jeweler. Yes, we heard about you. He said, is doctor in? He said, yeah, of course he's in. And can I see him? Yes, let us check with the doctor. They check with the doctor. Yeah, the doctor, yeah, he can see you. Okay, no problem. So he's going in. There's no wife of the doctor. And they say, my name is so-and-so. I say, yeah, doctor. Say, yeah, I know. And it's about jewelry for your wife. Yeah, I know about jewelry. And she disappeared. Yeah, I know. So come in. And the guy said, and they start talking. And the guy said, doctor, what's going on? Why are you saying all these things? Why treating me like that? He said, what do you mean? You're your patient. You came here because your wife brought you here, and then she said she was coming here for a few days and said that there is he has this idea that you owe him money, that the doctor owes money because of my jewelry, all these crazy things. So, and this doctor, the jeweler, started crying. He realized that this lady duped him like a baby. You understand? So the question is, how was she like? He was jeweler for many years. How was it possible to dupe him like that, like a little boy? And the answer is, Rabbi Reuven Shlita explained, because she was prepared. She was prepared. She did not do it from spontaneously. And same with us. So all of the Yetzer Hara, it is prepared, and we must be prepared. So if you start preparing for Shabbos on Shabbos, that's too late. You understand? So if you want to do it on Wednesday, if you're able to do it on Wednesday, do it on Wednesday. So don't some people start testing timers, the hot plate on not even testing, plug in the first time on Friday. I said, you normal? So, or even on Friday, it's not normal on Friday. Do it on Sunday. Maybe it's not working. Maybe you did not read the manual correctly. So make sure on day when it's free, when you're free, when you can unplug, read the manual, adjust this, adjust that. Only then you can be successful in Shabbos. You understand? So that's the answer to your question. Absolutely, there is no problem whatsoever. Okay. That's the story. B'siyata d'shmaya. You understand? I learned it this morning, this story. Yeah. Okay.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.